Good day, grade 12 students. Today, I'd like to talk to you about an incredible and deeply rewarding career path, a profession that touches lives, builds futures, and inspires change. I'm talking about teaching. As someone currently pursuing a Bachelor of Elementary Education, I've experienced firsthand how meaningful this journey can be. It's more than just preparing lesson plans or standing in front of a class. It's about shaping minds, nurturing character, and helping learners discover who they can become. In the next few minutes, I invite you to open your heart and minds as I share the joys, the purpose, and the opportunities that come with choosing teacher as your profession. Let's explore why teaching is not just a career, it's a calling. So, why choose teaching? You might be wondering, why should I choose teaching? There are many careers out there engineering, nursing, business, all wonderful in their own ways. But teaching is unique. As a teacher, you get the privilege of touching lives every day. You become a guide, a mentor, a second parent, and sometimes even a source of strength of your student. You're, you plant seeds of knowledge and values that can grow into something much bigger than you ever imagined. That's a kind of impact no amount of money can measure. So, teaching is a priority in the Constitution. Did you know that our profession is highly valued in our Constitution? The 1987 Philippine Constitution. So, it emphasizes the importance of teachers in nation building. It states, the state shall enhance the right of teachers to professional advancement. It also commits to assigning the highest budgetary priority to education. That means the government is constitutionally obliged to support, fund, and uplift the teaching profession. This is powerful. It means that choosing teaching puts you in a profession that is legally recognized, supported, and respected. So, also, Magna Carta for Public School Teachers, or the RA 4670. The Magna Carta for Public School Teachers, or Republic Act 4670, is one of the strongest proof that the welfare of teachers matters. It provides the teachers with rights like protection from unfair treatment, consent for transfer, academic freedom, limited classroom hours only 6 per day, special hardships allowance, studies and indefinite leave, medical checkup free of charge, proper retirement benefit, competitive and fair salary, and even protection against unauthorized salary deductions. So, this law shows that we are not forgotten. Our efforts are not just appreciated in words, but also protected in law. Gone are the days when we accept that teachers are overworked and underpaid. Today, we are reminded that the teachers deserve dignity, profession, and honor. So, job stability and benefits. In a world that's constantly changing, job security is a blessing. Teaching offers that. There is always a need for teachers in public schools, private institutions, international academies, and even online platforms. And because teaching is protected by law, you have access to benefits like healthcare, cost of living allowances, and job stability that many other professions are still fighting for. Work life balance. Another beautiful part of this career, time. Teaching gives you the chance to enjoy weekends, national holidays, and summer breaks. It allows you time to be with your family, pursue hobbies, take vacations, or even start a side hustles. This is important because a well-rested teacher is a better teacher. You're given the time to breathe, reflect, and grow, both professionally and personally. So, growth opportunities. Some people think teaching is just about standing in a classroom forever, but it's not far from the truth. But that's far from the truth. When you pursue teacher education, you open doors to leadership roles, curriculum development, education research, or even teaching at a college level. You can take advanced degrees like master's or doctorate and become a principal, supervisor, or policymaker. The field is vast. You just have to keep learning. Personal and emotional fulfillment. So, but beyond the benefits, security, and flexibility, the greatest reward is emotional fulfillment. Imagine seeing your students succeed, knowing you played a part in their journey. Imagine them coming back years later, thanking you for believing in them when no one else did. That kind of fulfillment is priceless. You'll form deep connection. You'll form deep connection not just with students, but also with fellow teachers who become your allies and friends. Teaching may not be the loudest profession, but it's one of the most powerful. A career of purpose. Every day in a classroom is an opportunity to make a difference, no matter how small. You may teach numbers or letters, science or values, but what your students remember the most is how you made them feel. You are not just teaching for a year, you're creating an impact that may last for a lifetime. That's what makes teaching different. It combines head, heart, and hands. It's a professional of purpose and one that the world will always need. So, lifelong learning. So, teaching keeps you curious, updated, and always improving. You'll attend seminars, workshops, and training sessions. You'll adapt the new trends, learn from your students, and grow every single year. As educator, as educators, we are lifelong learners too. This constant learning is what keeps the job exciting and meaningful. You'll never stop evolving. Why enroll in teaching education? So, why should you consider enrolling in a teacher in education? So it is because it's here that you'll learn the skills, strategies, and heart needed to become an effective educator. You'll have an amazing mentors, real classroom experience, and the tools to teach in a world that's always changing. If you have the heart for service, a love for learning, and a desire to make a difference, this is the career for you. So, for my final message, let me leave you with this quote. The influence of a good teacher can never be erased. If you're still unsure about your future, I invite you to think about this. What kind of legacy do you want to leave? What kind of change do you want to create? If your answer involves helping others, creating impact, and building a better world, then teaching is the path. where you'll find not only success but true fulfillment. So, thank you so much for listening, and I hope to see some of you in the halls of teachers' education very soon. Together, let's build a brighter future, one student, one lesson, one lifetime.